Welcome to the VTU Research ASX Closing Bell Report for Tuesday, the 21st of April, 2026. As the trading floor settles and the final figures are tallied, we're taking a deep look at a day defined by global anticipation and local resilience. I'm your host, and today we're breaking down a complex session. The Australian market spent much of the day navigating significant global headlines, while investors weighed local data against shifting geopolitical sands. The S&P ASX 200 index officially closed the day at 8,949.4. This represented a marginal decline of just 3.9 points, or 0.04%. It was a day of narrow ranges and careful positioning. Looking at the broader picture, the index has been virtually unchanged over the last 5 trading days. This reflects a significant period of consolidation as the market searches for a clear direction amidst conflicting signals. Current levels place us approximately 2.75% below the 52-week high. For many investors, this gap represents a psychological hurdle that requires a strong fundamental catalyst to overcome. The primary source of caution today was international. Global markets are closely watching for signs of progress in the US-Iran peace talks. With a ceasefire deadline looming, the stakes for energy markets and global stability couldn't be higher. Let's shift our focus to the technical landscape. Despite the slight dip today, the underlying structure of the ASX 200 remains surprisingly robust from a charting perspective. The index continues to hold firmly above the key support zone near 8,383.2. This level has historically acted as a floor for the market, where buying interest typically outweighs selling pressure. On the flip side, we have near-term resistance located around 9,200. For bullish participants, breaking through this ceiling is the next major objective to confirm a sustained uptrend. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is currently sitting at approximately 60.01. This is a crucial reading. It suggests we have healthy bullish momentum without being in overbought territory just yet. Beneath the surface of the headline index, we saw a fascinating tug-of-war between different industries. In total, 6 of our 11 major sectors managed to end the day in the green. Consumer staples emerged as the session's standout leader. The sector gained 0.69% today, extending a strong 5-day run where it has climbed over 1%. It remains a preferred defensive play. Close behind were the A-REIT and Industrials sectors, both booking gains of 0.48%. Investors seem to be finding value in high-quality property assets and industrial infrastructure as yields stabilize. It wasn't all positive, however. Energy was the day's laggard, correcting 0.89%. Volatility in global crude and gas prices, linked to those same peace talks, kept pressure on our local producers. The healthcare sector also faced headwinds, finishing 0.42% lower. This appears to be a broader rebalancing away from high-growth biotech names in the short term. Now, let's look at the individual stories driving the tape. Even in a quiet index day, several stocks delivered explosive moves that deserve our attention. Vulcan Energy Resources led the charge today, skyrocketing 6.51%. As the demand for sustainable lithium production grows, Vulcan continues to be a favorite for investors focused on the EV supply chain. DroneShield was another heavy hitter, rising 5.54%. Their specialized anti-drone technology is seeing increased global demand, and the market is clearly rewarding their recent contract wins. On the darker side of the ledger, Hub24 recorded a sharp decline of 8.32%. This comes after a period of outperformance, suggesting some heavy profit-taking from institutional players. 4D Medical also struggled, falling 6.15%. While their lung imaging technology remains revolutionary, today's selling pressure reflects a broader, risk-off mood for smaller-cap medical tech. So, where do we go from here? As we move into the second half of the week, several critical data points are lined up to test the market's current resolve. All eyes are on the U.S. pending home sales data. This will provide a vital pulse check on the world's largest economy, showing the number of homes under contract but yet to close. It's a key leading indicator. Back home, we are bracing for the April PMI readings and the March leading index data. These will give us the clearest picture yet of how the Australian manufacturing and services sectors are performing. In this environment, patience and precision are key. We're seeing a market that is coiled like a spring, waiting for the right signal to make its next major move toward that resistance level. To navigate these markets with an edge, consider joining our V2U Research paid community. Get access to our exclusive trade setups, deep dive research, and real-time alerts that help you stay ahead of the curve. Our paid members are already tracking the next wave of ASX opportunities. Visit our website to learn how you can unlock the full power of V2U Research today. Don't trade in the dark. If you found this wrap useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you never miss a beat in the fast-paced world of the ASX. We want to hear from you. What's on your watch list this week? Drop your top picks in the comments below, and let's get the conversation started. Thank you for trusting V2U Research for your market insights. Trade responsibly, manage your risk carefully, and we will see you in the next market update. Goodbye for now.
Disclaimer. The information contained in this publication is general in nature and has been prepared without taking into account your objectives, financial situation, or needs. It is provided by Titan Securities, holder of Australian Financial Services, license number 307040. It is not intended to constitute personal financial advice. Investing and trading involve risk, and past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. You should consider your own objectives, financial situation, and needs before acting on any information contained herein. You should also read our financial services guide and, where relevant, the product disclosure statement and target market determination issued by the product provider. These documents are available upon request. Titan Securities accepts no liability for any loss or damage arising from reliance on this information.